What's going on, Antonio? Carter here, Agora Consulting, and I'm giving you a very quick update. Uh, I have my photo booths back here. Um, one is a photo booth made of Surface Pro. The other, yeah, the other is another one I put together with the screen that I got from Salvation Army, believe it or not. And I built, both of these. But I told you that I'm on track, or I'm on the track to scale my photo booth business to six figures. My goal is to do this before the end of the year. I don't know how realistic that is because I have a baby coming and she is due in uh, June, the beginning of June. So that really gives me 6 months because right now it is April 14th. I think my last video when I started documenting this whole process, it was February or March. I believe it was March. Getting started kind of late. But guess what? I started running some Google ads, and I'm running Google ads because one of their ad reps hit me up, and I got two sales. I got two sales after not even 30 days of really starting to market. And I still haven't even marketed that hard. That's the funny part. I am already pretty much in profit. Okay. I got two events to do next month, right? 2 weekends in a row. And I'm very excited about that for very good money. All right. I'm almost at $1,000 for next month just off of these two events, right? That's good, right? And it's things are moving pretty well. So I don't know how many I'm going to do because I can do May, but can't really do much in June because I plan on taking a whole month off to make sure that I'm there for the baby. I don't want to be working and then, thinking about my wife doing everything by herself or with the help that she has, right? I don't know. It's just not the most wisest thing for me to do in the first month after my wife has a baby. That's how I feel about it. I'm very involved. I'm an involved father and a very involved husband. But with that said, um, business has started. This is official. Now I have a long ways to go, and that's okay because I know things can grow exponentially. I have a couple things up my sleeve as I begin to get more things going on. And then I'm currently in Kansas City. I get clients here. But then once we move to Georgia, I plan on getting clients there. I'll be having both going on. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but I'm putting my money where my mouth is, okay? I show people how to take things from just being a retail shop, essentially to moving online. That's my whole thing. And told you I got some tricks up my sleeves. I'm not going to get into that just yet. I'm almost done with that little rabbit that I'm pulling out the hat, and I can hopefully reveal it very soon. But my business consulting, my Agora consulting business is predicated on helping local business owners have a voice and also move everything from offline to online. And I'm doing that. I am so doing that. Um, so the Google ads happen to be pretty good. Um, it took me about $107 to make about $250. And that's a very good start because that means I'm already profitable. The other lead, I used Thumbtack. I put my stuff up on Thumbtack, got them, and I'm pretty sure there's three or four other things that events that I could have gotten, but my photo booth was not ready at that time. It's still not ready technically because I didn't purchase the software, the proper software. I have some old software on there for the photo booth, but it started. No excuses. Go ahead. I don't know everything that I'm going to do, but I recommend that you just go ahead and start whatever it is that you're doing. So follow along with me, continue to follow along the journey. I've been taking a lot of affirmation courses and video courses. I have a FIRE program for those of you who may be interested in FIRE, which is retiring early. This can be either with you having a business or not. shows you how to invest and things of that nature. That way, um, despite what happens in my life with the business or not, I'm setting myself up and my family to be able to live off of funds that I am putting up right now. If you're interested in that, I have a link down below. Also, I have a couple more other recommended courses that show you how to be financially fit and prosperous as well. Um, there's a program, a coach rather, that I've used. She has a cool program if you're interested in that. It really helps you out a lot. Okay, it shows you how to be financially free within 90 days. But that's it for here. Um, Stay tuned. Photo booth, six-figure business, documenting everything here. Um, I guess that's it for right now until I show you guys some other cool videos when I'm actually building another photo booth. I have a few more that I need to build. That's not the trick up my sleeve, but I'll be in touch. All right. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Drop me some comments down below. If you're a hustler like me, give me a hashtag hustling. Uh, hustling, HUSTLIN apostrophe. Don't put the G on there. And we'll talk to you guys later.